Hey there, it is Thursday morning and I'm getting ready to put the second coat of water-based poly on this trestle that I finished putting together yesterday. I'm making this video as a quick one to talk about the Workbench, and in particular the build series that I'm making that goes along with it. I'm doing this one different. In the past, I've made the build series after the project's done. You know, take everything and button it up into a build series. It's kind of anticlimactic because it comes out after the build video, goes public. But this one is different in that I'm doing it at the same time. So as I finish significant blocks of the Workbench build, I'm making a video and I'm posting it on Patreon at the $5 level and on Locals, to the supporters on Locals. So if you're interested in that action, you can go there, sign up, become a supporter, and you'll get access to it, okay? And you'll not only get access to that, but you'll get access to the other build series before it. And along with that, I'm setting up a members only area on my website, which should be ready in a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, that you'll be able to sign in and get access to the build series and plans that I've got on there for free. Like, for instance, my large toolbox plan and the toolbox that I just finished, the plans are on there for free. So it's a good value for your money, because both of those plans, of course, cost money, and I charge for them on my website, but you can get them free with the membership, right? So yeah, you want to check that out. There's links in the description. If you ask me what my preference is, I would say it's Locals. Now, some people might have the idea, especially watching this channel, that, I'm on Locals because of political reasons. I do not go into anything controversial on Locals. I stick on 100% to what I'm doing and woodworking, okay? So if that's been keeping you from going there, saying, oh, I don't want to hear him talking about that, all that stuff, don't worry. The only place I ever do that is on this channel, and especially on the community page on this channel. So fear not, all right? You won't be accosted over there. You just get woodworking. And a lot of the stuff that I'm doing as it's happening. All right? Yeah, that's it. That's all I got to say. And I'm going to glue those together to make the wagon vise, the moving jaw and the wagon vise. The other ones are going to be, this one here is more walnut. These will be the spindles, the 2 spindles I need for the vices that I have on the bench. And then the third one is this. These 2 pieces of red oak here, and I'm going to glue together to make up the shoulder. Those are the 3 thickest parts of the build, and I'm going to get those glued up and brought out of my workshop where it's really cold and into my house and let them dry before I do anything else with them.